Hello everyone, welcome back to ROGO's online Russian course. Today we're going to talk about hardness and softness. The pronunciation of Russian can be extremely challenging for those who take it too seriously. However, it's important to note that what we'll be discussing today is not crucial. Even if you choose to completely disregard the following pronunciation rules, it won't lead to any miscommunication. While you may sound like a non-native speaker, Russian natives will still comprehend you. So please don't stress if there are certain aspects you struggle with or if it feels overwhelming, alright? Russian hard consonants are pronounced just like most normal English sounds. You already know them from the previous lessons. They are b, v, g, d, zh, z, k, l, m, n, p, r, s, t, and others. In Russian, these consonants have soft equivalents. Nothing special about it. Let's take some examples from English. Booty and beautiful. Try to pronounce them softly. Do you feel the difference in that b? How about the words poor and pure or full and fuel? Same in Russian. So now let's take a look of the cases when consonants become soft. When followed by the soft sign, it can appear at the end of the word. For example, быть, мать, рань, лань, топь. And in the middle of the word, for example, письмо, листья. When followed by the softening vowels, я, е, ё, ю, и. For example, мать and мять sound differently, just as быть and бить. And of course, our beloved exceptions. Ж, ц, ш are always hard, sh, ch are always soft. To get a better grasp of how to pronounce soft consonants in Russian, it can be helpful to begin with the sound e. When pronouncing this sound, your tongue forms a slight arc at the back. Try saying along e and pay attention to how your tongue moves. This is the same position your tongue should be in when pronouncing regular consonants. Now let's practice. Read these pairs. Ba, bia. Bo, bie. Va, via. Vo, vie. Ga, gya. Go, ge. Da, dya. Do, de. За, зя. Зо, зе. Ка, кя. Ко, кё. Ла, ля. Ло, лё. Ма, мя. Мо, мё. На, ня. Ну, ню. Пу, пю. Пы, пи. Ра, ря. Ры, ри. Са, ся. Сы, си. Та, тя. Те, те. Фа, фя. Фе, фе. Ху, хю. Хы, хи. I hope that now you can pronounce sounds better. Hope to see you again on our lessons.